From initial contact, Insellerate allows me to go to bed at night knowing that I have done what I'm supposed to do and created follow-ups, whether or not the client wants to talk to me tomorrow or they want to talk to me next week or they want to talk to me in 6 months.
The benefit of it, especially when you have multiple team members involved in a single transaction, is that we're able to record and document all of our conversations and updates with the client.
I use Insellerate every single day. It's one of the first things I log into. It's the last thing I log out of at the end of the day.
I use Insellerate just as if I would use my notebook. I open Insellerate in the morning and I have tasks to do for the day.
I honestly don't know what the triggers are in the background or when they come up, but they're always pertinent times. And one of the things that I find frequently, they're in tune with the way I do my workflow.
It's really creating my day for me and allowing me to see what I'm supposed to be doing, and it kind of eliminates the pen and the pad from the equation.
We're in a transactional business, and the more successful you are, the more transactions you're going to do. So as you get more successful, one of the challenges is how are you going to manage this workflow.
Staying in touch, staying top of mind is key. Insellerate is awesome for letting you know what you're supposed to be doing to be more successful in this business. On a Monday morning, I'm not sitting down thinking to myself, I got to call my 10 top agents today, but Insellerate's telling me that I am, and it's going to tell me tomorrow if I didn't do it again.
It streamlines the process. Insellerate has saved me hours of phone calls a week.